Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. We will start to be broadcasting here live each and every morning, so I hope you all tune in. But we're going to start off with the S&P 500 right now. And what you're going to see here is that the S&P 500 is trading lower by 5.25 points to 2071.25 per contract. Futures are trading down a little bit. We just had some economic news released a few minutes ago, and we'll see how that shapes out. But it looks like housing starts were down significantly this month, and we'll see if that plays out. But either way, as usual, we're looking at stocks, and stocks are what makes us money. Again, we do have a little volatility out here, so as you know, when we have volatility, we have trades in the chat room, so come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've been knocking the ball off the cover in there, and then believe it or not, traders will do it again today. So starting off the day, we're going to take a look at Burlington. Ticker symbol is BURL, and what you're going to see here is the stock is trading right around the $58 level. The company did have some news earlier today, but it doesn't really seem to be moving the market all that much. It looks like they reported adjusted quarterly profit, 11 cents above estimates. Market really doesn't seem to care all that much. A level I would be interested in the stock, though, would be if it sells off down to around the $51.33 level. Until it gets there, there's not much I would do with this one. But let's take a look at a stock that is moving to the upside today. That is American Airlines. Ticker symbol AAL. Stock right now is trading at $52.82. Stock is flying high. There is an announcement that they will be added to the S&P 500. That's a big move. Also, you have oil down decently today. Oil is trading right around the $43 level. That's also a plus for all of the airline stocks, so keep them on the radar today. Delta and United, DAL and UAL could also be in play. Here's DAL. Stock is trading right at $47. This has upside to $48 if you ask me. That's where you'll find intraday resistance. If you take a look at United Airlines, this stock right now is trading at $68.74. This stock, believe it or not, has upside to around $72.80. So I'm not sure if that will get there today. But again, all of the airlines are flying high this morning on the back of weaker oil. Plus, you now have American Airlines added to the S&P 500. Let's take a look at Alibaba. That received a big upgrade today by Stifel Nicolaus. Alibaba right now is trading at $84.10 a share. This stock has been beaten down. I believe lockup is over tomorrow, so there'll be a lot more new shares open into the market as insiders are allowed to sell their shares from the IPO. So keep that on the radar. The stock could still be held under the fence for a couple more days, but either way, Alibaba receiving a big upgrade today. Right now, the stock isn't doing all that much. We'll see how it plays out tomorrow. This is one that could be in play tomorrow after the lockup is over. All right, let's take a look here at our next one. Ticker symbol is BDE, and what you're going to see here is this is Black Diamond. This company makes, I think, sports gear, outdoor sports gear. Either way, the stock is trading at $8.10. They've received, they're looking to look for a strategic buyer. That's a good way to get your stock price up. Either way, I'm looking at a level around 962 as major resistance. Not sure it's going to get straight up there, but this is a strong move, strong gap up today. I'm looking at $9.62 as major resistance for this stock. So keep that on the radar today. If you own this stock, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, it's hard to jump in here at these levels. But either way, I do think this one has due to this news report, has upside to around 962 if my math is correct. Let's take a look at DSW. Ticker symbol is DSW on this one. What you're going to see here is the stock right now is trading at $39. They had news this morning. I believe the shoe retailer beat estimates. Who cares about what the numbers were? All we care about is what the stock is doing. They also raised their dividend, I believe, as well. So this is a pretty good pop for the stock. This stock has a ton of resistance around $40.11. So keep that on the radar today. Maybe it pierces that a little bit. There's always that chance of that happening. But watch this stock right around $40.11. That's where you're going to hit major resistance today. If you own the stock, trail it up there. Try to ride it out to that $40.11 level. That's where you're going to hit your big resistance this morning. Let's take a look at CRZO. This is Carrizo. They, I believe, did a secondary, or they're offering shares at $45. You can see that's exactly where the stock went today. I'm seeing some support intraday around $43.95. So be a little bit careful with this one. You never know what's going to happen when they offer shares out there and they start to dilute their stock. But either way, I am seeing some support around $43.97. But remember, everything energy can be vulnerable right now, especially with the low price in oil. So you do want to be a little bit guarded on this one. This could be a stock that we trade in the intraday stock chat today, so come on over. You'll watch us do it. You can follow us right along into it. Take a 7-day free trial. You have nothing to lose. You'll see everything that we do each and every trading session. Let's take a look at Weight Watchers, WTW. This stock has lost a lot of weight lately. It's definitely shed some pounds. Either way you look at it, the stock is not a pretty picture. Right now it's trading at $9.39. It closed at $10.13. To be honest, I wouldn't do anything with Weight Watchers right now. We're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. It'll be on our radar screen here. But there's not a lot that we're going to do with Weight Watchers at the moment. Let's take a look at MGM this morning. This just popped up on my radar. This is a huge move. I'm not sure if this is an options X game by the institutions, but MGM with a big pop here. Stock closed at $19.66 yesterday, now trading at $20.60. Did briefly spike over 21, and I believe that was a real print right there. So all of these casino names look to be getting bids. MGM is the strongest in the group, has the best relative strength, so keep an eye on that. If you take a look at Wynn Resorts, this stock also got a little bit of a pop, now trading at $125.40. And if you take a look at LVS, which is Las Vegas Sands, that's trading at $53.30. Let's take a look at Melcrown Holdings or Entertainment. This is MPEL, MPEL. This stock's trading at $21.08. Not a big mover there, but it did get a quick spike. So MGM looks to be the strongest. We're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see what we have there. If by some chance the stock does trade sharply higher, you have big resistance around $22.89. I did not see any news on this, so I don't know what's going on here. I have to think it's more of a game by the big institutional money during Options X. This coming Friday is quadruple witching. This is a time period where you will get a lot of institutional game playing by the big money crowd. So again, be a little bit on guard. Realize that quadruple witching Options X is on Friday, so you will see a lot of whipsaw moves and a lot of beaten up stocks, and stocks that have done real well will ultimately get beaten down as well. So there could be a lot of game playing out here. You want to have a quick heads up. All right, let's take a look here at the oil market. Oil is trading lower by 74 cents to $43.15 a barrel. If we take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to trade light sweet crude, you'll see that has ticked up a little bit. It closed at $16.35 yesterday, still underwater, but nonetheless it has come off the lows a little. This is a very tough trade, the energy trade. It's up and down and all around. With quadruple witching in play, I don't know where this is going to go, but I will say this: be expecting unexpected for the most part. Oil will be all over the map. Let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold futures are trading down $2.20 to $1,150.90 an ounce. Gold has been in a tight range over the last few days. Let's go to the GLD here. You're going to see this trading at around 110.59. Hard to say where gold is headed exactly at the moment. I'm looking for some bottom-in signals in gold. Just haven't received them yet. Once I do receive them, I will let you know. But we will be watching gold pretty closely today. Gold miners have acted fairly well the last few days, so we'll see if they can muster some strength. But again, we'll be watching these all in the intraday stock chat room. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial, and you'll see everything that we're doing there. Okay, everyone, with that being said, once again, I want to wish you all a great trading day. We'll be broadcasting live here each and every morning. With that being said, have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.